welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a short tutorial. I got this household twine. Isn't it a lovely gold color? And what I want to do is show you how to use this to use it in crafts. We're going to braid it, or some people like to call it plait. So what you do is you cut 3 strands of the twine, make them 3, then you're going to take them and you're going to get some tape. You're going to tape down the 3 at the top. And you're going to separate them a little bit. And I like to just loosely braid mine. Just go one over the other, trying to keep them in that braided way. You go in the middle. You take the outside one, go in the middle. You hold this one. You go over that one. Go over that one. Not only is it relaxing to braid, but it makes a very pretty rope for your crafts. And that's all you do. So I hope this is useful for someone. And I hope you, if you didn't know how to braid before, I hope you learn how. And that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. This is what it looks like. A braid. So please give me a thumbs up. If you like my videos, subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment below. And I hope you have a wonderful, safe day. Blessed be y'all.